Alright people, welcome back. It's Brandy. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I stopped at Michael's the other day and I found a $10 clearance grab bag box. And I'm not going to lie, I specifically picked this one because it was partially open and it definitely had a Halloween thing in it. So let's unpack this and see what we got. This is what I saw. And I paid $10 for this box, remember? This is marked $12.99. We've already made up our money. And we're nowhere near started. There's the next little heart. Also $12.99. I believe, yes. Got a little Dracula pig. And my cats are fighting. Creepy flowers. A brain. Oh, this just goes on and on. So this. I'm wrecking the place. Food Crew shirt. Pom-pom garland. Oh no. Voodoo dolls. Some black leaves. I'm going to need to make some room. Hold on. Blow-ups. Cauldron balloons. A skeleton. Some monster eyes. A mess of little Day of the Dead guys. A bunch of witches' brooms with little sayings on them. Spin this one. Some velvet posters. A couple more of these. I already bought these potion things. I'm blocking it. Potion bottles. Let me adjust the angle a little so maybe we can see potion bottles. Some coffins. Ribbons. More ribbons. 5 of these pumpkins. collection light up pumpkins. A little haunted house. Some words. Some more words. And two. Count them, two tombstones. Original price $19.99. And that's it. That is the box. And this is for $10. Anyway, I know it wasn't a craft video, but I haven't done anything in a while because I'm just not feeling Christmas. And this has me definitely feeling Halloween again. But I'll see you next time. Have a good night. Bye.